Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide comment notification on YouTube. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to YouTube and then click on the bell icon next to the search icon at the top right. Click on that bell icon. So let's say you are seeing all of these comments. If you want to turn off the notification for each comment, click on the three dot next to the profile, and then you can click on either hide the notification or mute this person or turn off channel activity notification. So if you click on turn off channel activity notification, you will not receive any notification from people commenting on your channel or your videos. But this is how you will be able to do it.